Over the past weeks, I have sat down and wondered what this life is all about. The wake up in the morning, the struggle to keep alive, to go to work, to earn a pay, to run back to your family. I have come to realize that a lot of things in life that we think are important really don't matter. One assumed disease, one virus, the quest for humanity to aspire towards perfection, the G's, the ones, the one G's, the two G's. Humanity has decided that technology over human life is more important. Over the past 1 month, we have seen our friends, families, loved ones, the elderly, the weak, the sick, all die before us. Humanity buried without a name, burnt in the crematories of life. Each day we struggle to outdo the other. We want to buy the highest tech cars, which we can't even travel with. The travel is from one point to the other. We can't even travel into life with it. All the techs of the world, all the phones, everything, it ends when we get home at night and we all undress and we all bath and close our eyes in total submission to Him that created the world. The gadgets at that time don't matter. What matters is the simple oxygen we breathe. We don't even know how we wake up. These gadgets have not taught us what makes us sleep, how we wake up. It is just only through that divine process and intervention that we get up in the morning and we think we are the best. We are the creators of this world. We walk like we don't care because we think technology will take us to the next level. As people die all over the world, as tears are shed, as mothers lose their loved ones, as fathers lose their wife, as old men and women die, just because of man's insatiable need for technology. I ask myself, is this all worth it? Do we need this? Do we watch people die because we want to protect technology? How do we look at our children, the next generation that will bear the mark of the beast? The mark, knowing that for months they watched humanity kill their loved ones, their grandparents, claiming it was a disease. While we were at home, while we died, while we suffered, while we were scared to even go shopping, while we ran away not to even be close to any human, they were busy installing and erecting the 5Gs. People have gone through hollows of dark trees with the transcendental sun shining through their souls. Everywhere in the world, there are traces of dehumanization left by them to catch the vigorous sense of our personal freedom. The birds are dropping from the sky. There is death everywhere, all around us, and they are preparing more places where more will die. All for the quest of technology. humanity, humanity, humanity.